Good morning, everybody. This is Shay. This is Rustic Goddess Resale. This is a reselling channel. Today is the start of a shipping story. No, I have a lot of large shipping since I don't have a UPS drop off in my area anymore. I have to drive them all the way to Des Moines, and I'm gonna have FedEx pack 2 of my blow molds because they're just a lot for me, and like 5 large items sold at the same time. So I packed up one of them, got the label printed at home. 2 of them are going to have to be packed by UPS. And then one, I'm here at U-Haul to get some more bubble wrap. My American Bubble Boy order did not come in time. So I got to pack it at the FedEx, which is fine. But anyway, that is what I've got going on right now. We'll see. I have somebody that is going to give me free inventory, and I'm going to see if she's ready today. Hopefully she is, fingers crossed. So after I am done dropping all this stuff off, I can check a few places that I want to check for shopping, maybe grab some partner kit labels at the Gap. Hopefully they still have them. And then head to her house and pack my car full of her stuff. Okay, I'm not going to lie, you guys. I was an idiot. I got cocky. After I sold those Pilgrim blow molds, I said, I can sell any blow mold. I don't give a crap. That one was going to cost $180 for them to pack. No, $180 for them to ship, and then 30 something for them to pack it. And I was like, I'll just cancel the sale if that's going to be the price. But I'm pretty sure I can get a cheaper price on eBay from buying the label. I just need to get a smaller box, and then I'm an idiot. This is you just pay to learn. You just pay to learn. So I might lose my ass on this, and I try not to cuss in my videos. I cuss a ton in real life. But yeah, I'm about to lose my ass probably on that. It's supposed to go to North Carolina. I'm having them pack the reindeer and then the broken like sleigh part. That's going to cost me $60, but I think that is worth it. Me and my husband can figure that one out and somehow ship all of those boxes to North Carolina. I'm probably going to end up breaking even or losing a little bit of money on this. You win some, you lose some. Yeah, it kind of sucks though. I'm just gonna stick to the things that I know and like mid-sized hard goods, not like extremely freaking large hard goods. So while they're packing this, I'm gonna Google how long it takes to get to the bins because I'm frustrated and I kind of just want to go to the bins and find some good stuff to possibly sell. I don't know what I'm doing. Spend more money. I should really find my last minute Christmas gifts is what I should do. You guys, these prices, I know you already know. You already know. The next time that you see a Carter's jumpsuit, snowsuit at the bins, just know someone probably paid at least 40 to 50 for it. I'm assuming 80 is just like their marked up price because they do that here. And then this one, just like a little basic lightweight Carter's jacket, $55. It's crazy sauce. Someone's paying this. Someone has to be paying this. Let's see with like the more substantial size 24 month. Where's the price? $70 for a little bit more substantial jacket. That is crazy. I got my child an Under Armour jacket that was probably it's like a Storm one. It's really heavy duty for $15 at Just Between Friends. Don't shop retail, people. It's the smart thing to do. Now we're in the little boys section. You know, Zero Exposure, the brand that everybody passes up at the bins. Original price $145, on sale 60% off for $58. Maybe I'm gonna start picking these up. This is what I was looking for. They just have this one little rack of Little Co. Lauren Conrad stuff. This is so adorable. These pants, but I'm surprised that they don't have more because this is like the cutest line that they sell here. Darn it. Darn it. So now we are at a kids consignment store. It's one of the smaller ones, and I was just seeing if I could find any kids shoes worth reselling. It's kind of hard to look while I'm taping. I'm working on it. Stride Rights, this one. So this store prices things like pretty high compared to Once Upon a Child, and sometimes I think their prices are high, but as you can see, like these Toms were $9, which isn't that bad. These Keens I think were 15. No, they were 10. Just kidding. Most of their stuff is a lot higher. These mini Melissas, the price was actually pretty good. $8.50, which I looked at a Gymboree dress for my own daughter, and it was just like a plain velvet dress, and they wanted $8.50 for it, and I'm like, it's kind of pushing it. But this store has quite a few American Girl items, which I did look, and I didn't see anything that was really worth reselling, but it's just good to keep in mind for, you know, getting American Girl stuff for a lot cheaper. These are Doc Martens. They actually said made in England on the bottom. They were $30. It probably would have been worth picking them up, but they were definitely probably would have been a longer sale. I found these 3 rags to ratches pieces, and they were $12.50 each. The comps were like maybe 30 a piece, but a few of them had some issues. And I think the only one that was like perfect was the one on the right, but I didn't want to pay up today very much. I don't know. They were size 3, 4. Maybe I should have picked them up, but I don't know. And here we are at Valley West Mall. There's literally no stores open. I just came for Blaze Pizza. But, you know, the only stores that are left are like Victoria's Secret and The Buckle. And say what you want about The Buckle, but they have actually thrived. They're a debt-free company. I did used to work for them, but like every single year they grow. So it's just very interesting. Here I am at Blaze Pizza. It's very loud in here, but I got the white top. And yes, I ate that entire thing. Here we are at Salvation Army. I'm going to tell you, these prices are insane. I hate Salvation Army. They had this, you know, wickery chair for $162. That was crazy. This little just random bar stool was like 60 something. That was 60 something, and that's just like a one from Target that maybe retailed for 80. I just hate how much Salvation Army prices up. They would move so much more stuff. I think that was 70 maybe. And that like nasty couch with the stain on it was like 60. Yeah, I'm fucked. Look at those huge boxes, and there's still the huge one to back up. Yeah, I messed up. Don't sell the humongous things unless you're doing local pickup, or they're gonna arrange freight. Take it from me, I suck. I thought I could ship this whole thing in one box, and I can't. And those were even the smaller things. I'm hoping I don't totally lose money on this, but I thought I was smart. I thought I was like cutting edge. I thought I could do this. I can't. I did comp out the packages, and with my eBay discounts, these 2 big FedEx boxes will be like $50 something to ship each. I paid $60 for them to pack them, and then the big one, probably going to be $75 to ship. So probably going to be breaking even on that. And that's if the buyer doesn't have any issues. So hopefully they don't have any issues. Here's the very last part of the shipping. Actually, no. I still have to ship that too, that stupid top thing. So it's gonna be in 4 separate boxes. And yeah, I'm gonna lose my butt on this deal. But anyway, that took like 8 hours of my life. I have birthed children, real humans, faster than this. So I am done So very done with shipping big items. An entire workday was wasted over this, so here's a learning lesson. I don't want to sell everything. I really don't. I don't care if bigger items give me better profit. I don't care. In this case, it didn't give me a bigger profit. It's just a nightmare. This has been a nightmare. But I am here to show you the good, the bad, the ugly of reselling. And I'd say today was pretty ugly. In earlier takes, I was red, I was sweaty, I was just frustrated. I should have went to the bins, but I didn't. Now I have to go wrap the rest of this stuff up with bubble wrap, which it said that my American Bubble Boy package was delivered, but I'm not seeing any bubble wrap on my front step, so I'm hoping nobody stole it. Oh, we'll see. Anyway, if you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!